Hi and welcome to Exclusively Nail Art. Stay tuned if you'd like to see this watermelon nail art. These are the things that we used for our nail art today. The first thing is the Hansen Diamond Strength in the color Pinkaboo / Rose Tendre in number 3229. Then we have the Maxus base coat number 9168. We have the O.P.I top coat 0071. We have the Hansen Hard as Nails in the color Limestone 620. We have the Shany Cosmetics Nail Art Striper. It's the pink one and it's number 4. We have the Shany Cosmetics Nail Art Striper. It's the green one and it's number 22. Then we have the LA Colors Art Decos in black and white. The final thing that you are going to need for your nail art today is the Bundle Monster dotting tool. It is double-sided. As always, our first step is going to be painting on the base coat. Now, because we're doing 3 different designs on our nails today, you are actually only going to paint this on your first finger, your middle finger, and your pinky as that base color. If you want to skip this step, you absolutely can. I just like the color that it makes my nails look. Now you are going to paint the limestone color on your thumb. Now you're going to use the pink striper to paint your ring finger. Now typically I would not use a striper to paint my whole nail. However, in this case I wanted to have the exact same color when I do use the striper later as on this fingernail. So that's why I used the striper to paint my whole nail. Now you're going to go back to the limestone color and you are going to paint this on the tips of your fingers like you were doing a French manicure. Now you need your green striper, and what you're going to do is you are going to paint wavy lines on everywhere that you have the limestone color, so that light green, and this is going to create the effect that the watermelon rind has, like the outside. So you want the squiggly lines right on top. time to get back out that pink striper. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make triangle shapes that start right at the base of your nail and then go out to the edges of where you've just made that French tip. It's time to get out your white striper. You are going to paint a thin white line between the green and the pink parts of the nails that you just painted. It's time to get out your black striper and your dotting tool. Your first step is going to be painting the black paint right onto the dotting tool and then putting that on your fingers. I suggest doing 3 to 5 big dots on every nail, depending on the length of your nails will depend on how many seeds you can fit. But when you make the dots, you want to leave room underneath them because you are going to add a triangle shape underneath to make them pointy like the ends of a seed. Now I start really having a hard time here because my nail polish is actually kind of dried out, and I attempted to put in some nail polish remover and shake it up because a lot of the time that does make the nail polish thin to back out. In this case, it just separated and it actually made my nail polish really not work at all. So I ended up taking all the nail polish off of my ring finger and starting over with a different polish. So be mindful that you want a newer black polish to get these seeds done nicely. Now it's time to add little triangles at the bottom of your dots to make the seed shape. Now, if you do make a mistake and you have black in a place that you don't want it, you can go back in with your pink polish, paint right on top, and it'll be like it never happened. Our final step, as always, is going to be painting on your top coat. And there you have it, that is your finished look. I hope you enjoyed this nail art tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you'd like to see more nail art videos that I have done, click on what you see here. And if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for stopping in. Bye!